Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, March 30th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Another crappy day in paradise. Uh, oh man. I am running the new portfolio in my TradeStation uh, accounts, and they're not doing great, but they're not losing money. So uh, we only have 2 more days trading this thing in ProSuite, which is what I post, and then hopefully things will get better. But anyway, um, today we only had 2 stocks coming in, and we only closed out one position, but we still managed to lose $5,700 on that single position. I will show that to you in a second. It's a beaut. And we got into 14 new positions today. Actually, 13 new positions plus the carryover. And 6 positive, 8 negative, but we're negative $1,100 on those 14 positions going into tomorrow. Showing you the Dow here. The Dow had a pullback day after, big run up here. A run up that did not produce any profits for us. Had a pullback today, and that didn't produce any profits for us either. But anyway, the Dow opened lower and basically trended sideways all day, and then had its traditional 15-minute sell-off at the end, and officially closed down 104 points. Okay, so I'm going to show you 2 stocks today. The horrible one first. This isn't the worst stock I've ever traded, but it's probably the most irritating. And I can't believe that somehow this stock ended up in our portfolio for March. I mean, I work on this stuff, and this came up very high rated, and that's how it ended up in our March portfolio. And all of March, it's just been awful. And the last 2 days, I got to put this up here because it's just like you can't make them worse than this. This is GBR, which is New Concept Energy, is the company. And yesterday, this thing did this big pop-up bar in the middle of the day, got us in on the high bar of the day, and then closed with quite a bit of negative thing. And then we just got slammed this morning on the open. After buying close to the high of the day, we sell close to the low of the day today, and that cost us $5,700. Be fine. Just leave the thing alone, okay? No. Again, in the middle of the day, today it does this huge run up, about twice as high as yesterday, gets us in again on the high bar of the day, and then it fails miserably, and closes down negative, and we are negative $6,900 in this thing. So we got like over $12,000 in losses on this stupid stock in back-to-back days. I mean, how do you get slammed today and then get back into it and get slammed the second time? It is just a nightmare stock. This is not going to be in our April portfolio. Believe me, I don't know. It'll probably figure out how to screw us some tomorrow also until I get it out of the portfolio. Anyway, terrible stock. I'm just awful. Just horrible. Anyway, okay. And this is the hero. This is MAR. And this is Marathon Patent Group. We've been trading this quite a few weeks, and it just continues to churn out profits. It's just amazing. It's the complete opposite of New Concept Energy. Anyway, gapped up yesterday. We bought the gap. It closed slightly against us yesterday, but then moved much higher today, keeping us into the trade, and we are holding positive $8,600 in this trade. And this single stock carried that whole all our positions today, 14 positions. Most of them were crappy, but because of this stock, we're only down $1,100 in that in what we're holding going into tomorrow. Anyway, that's the way it went, folks. I hope it goes better tomorrow. Trader Bob signing off. I will be back here tomorrow on Wednesday.